Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we'll be coding Autorole command and membercounter command. Let's get started. You must have the right role name, or else it will not work. Now let's code the membercounter command. It is very simple and not very complicated. Let's run the code. I'll test the membercounter first. It works. Now I will kick Danny boards again and test to see if the Autorole works. It works. Please note, you need to update the welcome code to this to make the welcomer work. Please subscribe and like, and see you guys in the next episode. Goodbye.